KAV Hardware International Company Limited, specializing in ZRD, manufacturing and sales of intelligent furniture fittings. Our product range includes electric double wall drawer system, drawer slide, cabinet hinge, electric tilt-up, lower-term cabinet door hardware, kitchen storage series, wardrobe storage series, handle-free solutions, and more. Widely applied in furniture, cabinet, automobiles, industrial machinery, and more sectors. Our products feature outstanding quality, easy installation, unique design, and competitive pricing. Premium storage systems, including jewelry boxes, trouser racks, and clothes baskets, are highly favored by customers. Our annual